This is LA 45 key. After opening box, you will find LA box. Power supply. .25-pin cable to connect to PC. LA probes and expansion module. You connect power supply to This is logic analyzer LA45. It has 45 input channels. It consists 3 parts. First is rear panel, second is front panel, and LCD panel. Rear panel connect power supply. Switch on power supply. You will observe LA45 logic analyzer. Then connect PC printer cable. Then here LA expansion module is provided, which is used to connect LA probes, which are provided with LA45. These probes are connected to system under test. This expansion module is connected in 50-pin FRC connector. This front rear panel consists push button 1 and push button 2. Toggle switch to enter into setup mode. Clock source select is setup mode. Then frequency division, trigger source. To enter into menu item, connect these probes are connected to system under test as shown in setup. Then probes are connected to expansion module. With LA provided CD, go to LA software folder. Here 91 SP2 Quartus2 programmer is provided. Install these first time using. After installation, for installation refer chapter 2 of manual. After installation, go to start, programs, Altera, Quartus2 programmer, Quartus2 9.2 SP2 signal tab to logic analyzer. This window will appear. Go to file, open .stp file provided on CD. Open. Then go to hardware setup. Here select cable connected byte blaster LPT1. Close. Scan chain. Device will detected and ZTAC ready should come on your LA screen. Here ready to acquire. Now LA software is ready to capture the data. Then select clock source in clock menu cycle as onboard clock. Then select frequency division, divide by 2. Here now switch on system under test. Anshuman is displaying. Here small program is executed. Substitute this program. Keep this program continuously on. Now select instance in instance manager continuous mode of LA. Then go to process, click run analysis. Captured data will observed on LA. Uploading acquired data. Now group the channels. Right click on group, bus display mnemonic, click on mnemonic table setup. Here enter mnemonic for every instruction as per your program. Click OK. Then again click right click, bus display format. Click mnemonic table that you have entered. Here directly you will observe data in mnemonic display. This LA setup was experiment explained in manual using LA45 for mnemonic based capture with Expo 85 kit. The system under test is Expo 85 kit and mnemonic display.
Experiment.
Using LA45 for mnemonic based capture, system under test is Expo 85 kit. Mnemonic based data is displayed on LA screen. Thank you.